Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to explore on how to add authenticity guarantee to your eBay listing for sneakers. Let's begin. Now log in using your credentials. If this is your first time here on eBay, you might want to click on the create an account button. You can choose the type of account from personal or business. To simplify the process, you can continue with your Google or your Facebook, even your Apple account. Just provide your full legal name, email, and password, and by clicking the create account button, you're all set. Now, this is how to add authenticity guarantee to your eBay listing. First is you need to list your eligible sneaker and add a blue check mark will appear next to it. Alright? Now, when a buyer purchases your item, you ship it directly to a team of independent authenticators. And again, your sneakers will go through a multi-point inspection before receiving a QR-enabled tag. Now, your item is delivered safely to the buyer via the 3-day shipping. Sneakers for $750 plus require a signature at delivery. Now, when you go to your specific eBay listing, basically, if your item is eligible for eBay authenticity guarantee, it will be automatically added to the program. It's free of charge, alright? And there's no opt-in or opt-out option because items included in the eBay authenticity guarantee program displays a blue authenticity guarantee check mark badge. It is very useful when searching for the specific sneakers. If you wanted to check all of the authentic items, now in the left side of the filters, all you're gonna do is click on the authenticity guarantee right here, and the results will be given to you, right? Now remember, when you make a sale, you have to send the item to the authenticator's address provided by eBay, and once the authenticator receives the item, the inspection is processed within the 2 business days. Now, once the authenticator confirms the item is consistent with a listing title, description, and images you provided, they perform a physical authentication inspection. And if the inspector cannot determine that the product is authentic, or if the product is not as described in the listing, the item will be returned to you and the buyer will receive their money back. It's a very straightforward process. And again, if the item passes inspection, it will be shipped to the buyer with 2 days secure delivery. And if the item passes inspection and is a trading card, it will be shipped to the buyer for a 4-day secure delivery. Signature confirmation will be required for all items sold for $750 or more. And as always, you have further questions about the authenticity here on eBay. Just click on the help and contact and search for these keywords and you will be redirected to that specific page. And that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you in the next one.